Alright, so I'm in Pemogan. I just left home and I'm going to head into town, see what's going on in town, how busy it is, what's going on the beach. Let's have a little quick look around. So it's pretty busy traffic today. There's been a bit quiet out here the last few days, and today back there through town it's really, really busy. So we're going to go down here, cut through past Grand Lucky, straight down into Legian Street, just see what's going on. Okay, so I'm going to turn off down this little shortcut, little alleyway, isn't it? Once you've been here for a long time, you get to know all the little side streets, all the little sneaky little shortcuts, you know. So this is a shortcut into town. Save me going all the way down like to the bypass and back around into Cooter. It'd probably take me an extra 2 or 3 kilometres. And just cut through here and it comes out right on Sunset, right at the big new Grand Lucky Superstore. So yeah, so there's a lot of little hidden shortcuts around that you just get to know after a while. Yeah. There's some nice new units in here. It's not a bad place to live here actually. It's only like, you know, if a kilometre from Legian, and yeah, there's just no tourists out here, so it's a good little spot to live. So he's a Western guy here running his dog. He must live here. But there's some nice little units and that around out here. Good places to stay. And we're only, I suppose now, it's probably only 500 metres from Grand Lucky Superstore. So you're only just a little bit out of Legian. And that's all you got to get, really, to live a lot peaceful life without all the hectic tourism drama, you know. So, alright, so hopefully we can make these traffic lights so no one gives away here. Look, they're supposed to give away to us, but they don't. That's the Grand Lucky Superstore in there, the big new one on Sunset Road. Alright, so we're basically back in Legian again. It's alright. So I had 2 green lights in a row, very rare. Alright, so now we're on Paddy Atlantic. We just crossed Jalan Raya. If you turn right here, like these cars are, that goes onto Jalan Dewi Street, Food Street. And if we go straight down here, Paddy Atlantic, you end up on Legian Street. But down here a little bit, I'm going to take a left and go and cut down through Jalan FILMORA. And it's another shortcut road. There's just so many little shortcuts around that make life a bit easier out of the traffic, you know. Right, so turn left here onto Legian Badung, and just up here further we'll turn onto Jalan FILMORA. So this is sort of a little shortcut back way into town where you don't have to go right down to Legian Street and deal with all the traffic and the one-way street and all that, you know. So we turn here. This is Badung straight ahead, and this is Jalan FILMORA. And this just runs straight down, comes out right at Mama's restaurant at Legian Street. Now right here, this right here is Jalan Mataram. Now I've been asked to do a video on that actually. I did a ride through there once before a few months ago, but yeah, it's not a bad street. Years ago that's where that's where a lot of the costs are, where a lot of people that work here, locals live up there, and there's a lot of really cheap food, warungs and things like that there. So But here on FILMORA as well, there's a lot of good little warungs. There's just warungs all the way down the side. And we're only, what, 200 metres from Legian Street here, and you'll get way cheap food, you know, like. So it's worth a walk up some of these little streets just to even buy food or have a look around, you know. So there's a Legian Street ahead of us. It's not even 100 metres, 50 metres ahead of us, Legian Street. So this is a quick way into town. You'll see when I get to Legian Street just here how busy the traffic is coming along. If I went down Paddy Atlantic all the way, it'd be, you know, I'd be still way back there somewhere, you know. Alright, just going to cut through here to the beach. Now this is Legian Badung. And also someone asked me where my old bar was. Well, this is it here. Right here, 16 degrees. It wasn't called 16 degrees, but I was there for years. And yeah, good central spot to live, but it's pretty crazy work owning a bar here. It's fun and it's trouble. Alright, so we're just going to head straight down Badung to the beach. I'll get back to you. There's Llewellyn Centre where I had that really good steak. 109,000 steaks, very cheap. So now we're at the bottom end of Legian Badung. There's some good little warungs and stuff around here too. And up here we got the naughty duck, Bebek Nakal. The naughty duck. There's always a lot of expats hanging in there. The boys in there. The boys in there having brekkie. And that's a good spot. Go in there, say hello to Cha-Cha, she's the owner. And her husband Sim is an Aussie. And yeah, good food. They got to do a really good Sunday lunch in there. A big home cooked baked lunch, you know, beautiful. It's really good actually. Alright, so here we come now, we're at the beach. There'll be a lot more traffic around. Alright, Legian Badung. So we'll stop down here at the beach and see if a couple of me motley mates are drinking at the bar down here. They probably will be. They're normally on it by 9 or 10 o'clock in the morning. I think it's about 10, 11 o'clock in the morning now. So we'll just stop here near the Fork restaurant and yeah, check out the beach, see what's going on. Okay, here we are at the beach. Wow, looks like a good little swell going. It's full on dry season now. The winds are full on southeast, so it's officially the dry season. Very nice. The winds are offshore. There's a fair few people around. A lot of surf schools out there, people having a wave. Alright, go up here and see what the motley crew are doing. Yeah, there's not too many people walking around, but hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. Aussies?
Aussies.
Alright.
We saw Swifty on our... How you going?
Alright, I'm Grant.
Grant, it's my wife Kayla.
Wife Kayla, hello, how are you? Alright, chicken pie on the beach. It's not too bad. That Looka bar. Check that out. Good stuff. Fucking bloody cold beer, mate. 35. Hey, doing the rounds, the usual rounds. So I'm just gonna get back on the bike and, I don't know, cruise up the beach and see how busy it is up a bit further. Oh shit, got a traffic jam on Lusty. Busy. She is way busy at the moment. So I'm going to turn up this lane, another shortcut. See what's going on up here. Bunnatsari. There's a few good little warungs down here actually. Morning. And the old expats, been around for a while. Yeah, so there's a bunch of little warungs all the way down here, Bunnatsari. And yeah, it's sort of a bit of an expat hangout actually. Turn down here, there's another shortcut through to Jalan Dewi Sri. You can see the traffic back there through Malasti up on the Siri Jaya. It was just bumper to bumper nearly, so that's why these little shortcuts, some of these shortcuts are actually longer, longer in distance, but quicker because there's no traffic, you know. So, right, this is the Dragon Bridge. See the dragons here, wrapped around the bridge. It's known as the Dragon Bridge. So you can come out on Dewi Sri straight ahead there, but this one goes along the river, and you can either go right through to Narkula, or you can cut through up here and end up, comes out near the petrol station at the other end of Dewi Sri. That goes up to, straight up to Sunset Road. No, that goes straight up to Narkula, sorry. If we turn left here, it's not far to the traffic lights and the five-way intersection, 5 ways. And here we are back at the 5 ways intersection at Sunset. Now Dewi Sri is food street, it sort of always has been. It's well known for its food, there's just food everywhere. Warungs and that, the whole street. So this is probably one of the main areas where a lot of the locals eat too. Yeah, it's a good street for cheap food and that. This is Narkula, on Jalan Narkula. Alright, so that's about it for this quick ride around video. Yeah, you know the drill, thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe and all that. See you on the next video.